What's up guys, today the product I have is an AnkerPower adapter and its full name is AnkerPowerPort Atom PD1. So the best thing about this is first of all its size. As you can see that it's very portable and small in size, and for comparison if I bring the charger that comes in iPhone 11 box, and you can see that it is almost twice in the size of that charger. But if I talk about the watts that it's charge your iPhone or any other mobile phone, you can see that it is 5 watt charging adapter that comes in iPhone box, but this one that comes from Anker, it is 30 watt charging adapter. So if you have iPhone that supports power delivery charging from iPhone 8 to towards iPhone 11 Pro, it can charge that mobile phone in 30 minutes from 0 to 50%. And also if you have an Android mobile phone which supports Qualcomm quick charge, it can also charge that mobile phone from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. So the technology they've used in this charger is also different from other chargers. So in normal chargers, they use silicon technology to manufacture all of the charger inside chips, but in the AnkerPower adapter charger, they have used gallium nitride, which is new technology, as instead of the silicon. So it helps to shrink the size of the power adapter. So that's why we are seeing that small size of charger as compared to this one. So I have also this one. This one is also 5 watts charger that comes from Apple, and this one is 30 watt charger, and you can see that how much small is this charger as compared to both these one. You can see that it's 30 watt and it is 6 times faster as compared to both of these ones. So now let me show you the charging speed of this power brick, and now I have the iPhone XS, which is my personal device, and let me show you, it's totally red and it doesn't have any battery, and you can see that charging sign. And the cable I'm using is also comes from Anker, and you can see that because I have iPhone, it is USB-C 2 lightning cable. So now just plug in cable and plug that power adapter into power source, and let's check. And now the charger is plugged in into the power source, and we are going to see how much can it charge the iPhone XS in just 10 minutes. So let's plug it in and starts the timer, and let's start. After 10 minutes we will see how much the iPhone is charged. So now it's been 5 minutes, and let's see how much my iPhone has been charged in 5 minutes. And in 5 minutes you can see that it's 8% charge from 0 to. And let's keep charging at 10 minutes, and we will see about after 10 minutes. So now 10 minutes are finished, and let's see the results, how much my iPhone is charged. And after 10 minutes you can see that it's charged 17%, and it's been 10 minutes. You can see that timer, and Anker claimed that the power bank can charge your iPhone in 30 minutes from 0 to 50%, and I've been using this charger for a couple of months and previously month, and I can say that they are right, and it can easily charge my iPhone from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's all about today's video, and if you like this video, give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in another video. Until peace out.